Hi, in this video we are going to talk about how to insert data in a table in a database. So in the previous video we have created the students database, this students table, and now we are going to talk about how to insert something, and we can do it with the help of the insert command. So insert into, we have to specify that in what table we want to insert our new data, and of course the table we want to update is the students table. And of course there are two ways of inserting into a table. First, we have to specify the values we want to insert, and the first is the student's ID, if you may recall. The second is the name. So for example, Adam Smith, university is the University of Berlin, and the city is Berlin. So we have to specify the values we want to insert, and we have to specify as many items as the number of columns in our table. And because when we have created the students table, there was the student's ID, which is a unique identifier, an integer 1. The second is the name of the student. The third is the university the given student is attending. And the third parameter, the fourth parameter, is the city where the university is located. If we run our SQL, then we see that our students table have been updated. With the student ID 1, there's a student Adam Smith. He is attending the University of Berlin, in the city Berlin. So we can insert with the help of this insert method. But another better technique, which is quite popular, is that we can specify when we inserting in the students, for example, in the students table, that we want to insert values for the student ID, for the student name. So we just have to specify these row numbers, row identifiers, and it is something called the clean code that other programmers may be able to read your code more easily. So we usually do it in this way, that we have to specify that what values we are going to insert, because in this situation it is quite straightforward. But sometimes when we want to insert 1.5, for example, stock market data, we don't know that whether it is the starting price, the closing price, the bid, the volatility of the stock, or what is it. So it is a good programming practice to specify in advance that we want to, that the first item we insert is the student ID, then the second one is the name. So for example, Kevin Barney, I don't know, MIT, for example, in I'm not MIT, but for example the university I have attended is the ELTE, ELTE, and it is located in Budapest. So if I run this code, I don't think that usually we can leave it out, this semicolon at the end, but if you have some programming background then it is quite convenient to do so. So why is it better? Because we can specify that what values we are going to insert, and you see that the first one is the student ID. That's the first column of our table. The second one is the name, the student name, and so on. So if we run our algorithm, then the student will be updated with another row, with another entry, Kevin Barney attending the ELTE University at Budapest. So this is how to insert data in a table. In the next video we are going to talk about how to remove items like this. For example, we want to get rid of this row, how to do it. Thanks for watching.